Okay, so malware attack. Malware is simply a malicious software that is designed to steal and damage your company, right? We have viruses, we have worms, we have adware, you name it. They are all part of the malware. So those type of malware, let's say if we were talking about worms, they tend to replicate rapidly. Let's say you have a company that has 5 employees. One of your user downloads a free antivirus, right? And when you think you downloaded a free antivirus, that was a malware. So what that does, it replicates rapidly. Before you know it, your 5 or 10 employees all got the same thing. So that's pretty much what malware is. Hackers know that we love, free stuff, especially like free antivirus, free movies, free vacations, you name it. So what they do, they make you think that you're downloading a free antivirus. In fact, you're downloading malware or spyware. Spyware is just a piece of software that's hide maliciously on your computer. And what it does is just going to steal anything that you're typing. It's technically spy, right? It's spying on you. So it can really steal your credentials. It can turn on your webcam. It can turn on your microphone, record what you're saying. All of these can happen simply with download of free antivirus. When you think, as we stated before, when you think you are downloading things to protect your network, protect your company, you ended up downloading things to destroy it quicker. So you can follow some basic cyber hygiene and best practices to avoid getting malware on your computer. Start by purchasing next generation antivirus solutions. When I say next generation antivirus solutions, they're also in the technology world, we call it EDR, right? What they do, those antiviruses, they have AI, artificial intelligence, integrated with them, because hackers are getting much smarter. They are smarter. So that means if you have an antivirus that only relies what we call, not trying to get into too many technical details, what we call dictionary based or like the hash and stuff like that. So those are not going to work with the latest threats that we are facing today. You need an antivirus that has AI capability, machine learning to see when bad things are happening on your network, so what you should do with it. Always update your computer. As we stated before, Microsoft releases patches every Tuesday, right? So that means you need to make sure you downloaded those updates and install them, okay? Also, do not think for a second that you can use some free antivirus software for your business. It's not gonna work. It's not, okay? Just make sure you download a paid antivirus. And in fact, I would say a next generation antivirus you need on all your computers. All right.
Thanks for tuning in to this video. We at SCORE are here to support small businesses just like yours. To see another video, click on the one that shows in the corner of the screen. While you're at it, why not subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you know when we post more content. And if you'd like a mentor to help you start or grow your business, just click the link in the description.